Okay, we have here another integral from the MIT Integration Bee from 2024. This one's problem 16. We have the integral of arctan of x over 1 minus x squared plus inverse tangent over 1 plus x squared dx. Okay, to get started with this, the first thing I noticed, we have arctan right here, and then we've got this symmetry where we've got the derivative of arctan right here. If we just write this as 1 over 1 plus x squared, we've got the derivative right here. And then the same kind of thing over here, we've got inverse tangent. But then if we just kind of create a 1, we've got the derivative of inverse tangent right here, 1 over 1 minus x squared. So this is going to be a good case for us to use the product rule in reverse. Let's just look at the product rule really quick. So if we have the derivative of two functions, f and g, this derivative is just going to be the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. And so for this to work, we're saying our integral, all this stuff right here, this should be the same as this part right here. And what we need to do to match this up, let's just kind of create an integral sign on both these. So if we integrate the product rule on both sides, well, on this right here, we've got the integral of a derivative. So this result is going to just be f times g. So as long as we can get everything in the right place and match it up with what we have here, our solution is just going to be this f and g. So we just need to figure out what f and g are. So like starting, kind of putting it this way, so like, okay, let's start with f, and we'll call our f right here the hyperbolic inverse tangent. So if I say f is this, then when we take a derivative of this, our f prime value is going to be just this over here. So this is going to be 1 over 1 minus x squared. So this piece is our f prime. And then what we need is we need arctan to be our g. So we'll come down here, g is going to be arctan, and the derivative of that is going to be just this over here. So this derivative is just 1 over 1 plus x squared. Now it's kind of out of order the way we have it written here as g times f prime, and that's the same thing as this, f prime g plus fg prime. So we can go right to our solution, fg plus c. So our solution, we just want to take this piece, our f, and this piece, our g. So for our final solution to this, we're just going to have inverse tangent is the first part, and then we're going to have arctan of x plus c, and that's it. Okay, there you have it, kind of just a quick problem reversing the product rule. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.